decided to switch from Leap to Tumbleweed, openSUSE. I use DaVinci Resolve, and so when installing DaVinci, got these two errors open, both for the GPU issues. So the correct way to fix this is, one, install the correct NVIDIA driver. So depending on the video card you use, this will differ. But yeah, I installed the compute version. It's CUDA, and this allows you to not see, or allows DaVinci Resolve to start, because DaVinci Resolve is going to need access to your GPU. The standard free openSUSE drivers aren't good enough for DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve requires something just a little bit better than your default drivers. So all the commands I use will be in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Now, these required packages that you see here, these are going to differ from Leap and Tumbleweed. You see here, I'm installing on Tumbleweed, but I put the Leap packages, so there's two packages were incorrect. So installing the correct packages for the distro or version you're on, you shouldn't see any errors at all. There are a lot of packages, so yeah, sit here and watch and see if you see any issues. Let me know in the comments below if I need to be doing anything else. And those errors again because I tried installing the wrong two packages. And here's the correct packages for Tumbleweed. Now we're just gonna get to, I think we're gonna get into installing DaVinci Resolve. Just put the DaVinci Resolve installer in the downloads directory. Just getting ready to install it. Need to make it executable. Don't forget to do that. I did it wrong there. Did have one other package to install, and go ahead and install that real quick. GT3. K3, so GT3. Yeah, it'll take here a few minutes to do that. I'll speed this up. So going from Leap to Tumbleweed isn't really that bad. Few little extra things that I've been working on. Tumbleweed does a little bit better. I don't know if I like the upgrades, the constant upgrades. I've only been on Tumbleweed here a couple days as my daily driver. I've done a couple other videos with Tumbleweed. One is Frigate, the NVR camera system. Now we're going to go to op directory in Resolve. Actually, we're going to go install DaVinci Resolve right now. So you should do the skip package when you install DaVinci Resolve. Seems like DaVinci's checking for issues, and since you're not on CentOS, they're installed for operating system of choice. It will throw an error no matter what. Here, I'll show you real quick. Just try to install it. It's going to say it doesn't find those two packages. So if we just add the skip package check equals 1, then it will install without an issue. There we go. Yeah, so I'll just go. There is one more step. You need to go into the op resolve libs directory. You're going to need to create a directory called disabled. You can call it whatever you want. I called it _disabled. And then you're going to move these things into the disabled folder. Now I'm just going to launch it by typing in resolve. And there we go. I just installed the latest version of 19. I did not go into the beta of 20, though I wanted to. I do use a studio version, so I need to go get the key, put the key in, go from there. I'm gonna block out my key so you guys don't see it. yeah, kind of like DaVinci Resolve. I ended up purchasing it. Great program. Like to support the developers. It's a good product. There you go, fulling in to DaVinci Resolve 19 now. At the first project page or untitled project page where you can create all your new videos. Let me know if you guys have any other suggestions for installing DaVinci Resolve on openSUSE, either Leap or Tumbleweed. This is how I've done it. This time, how I did it, I have installed it a different way before. There's other videos. But as you can see here, I have the NVIDIA available to me. It won't install if you don't have CUDA. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.